We had an interesting question come up today about how much torque should it take to rotate just the short block of a freshly assembled engine. We got this thing nicely loaded up, plenty of assembly lube, and just a little bit of motor oil on the piston rings themselves. Got, of course, no head on it. Just gonna take a look here and see how much torque it takes to spin it over. Got a torque wrench here. Should be nice and smooth all the way around. No tight spots or catching. This is just pretty basic Miata build. ACL bearings, Eagle rods, Wiseco pistons. Nice and smooth, and the result is 5.8 foot-pounds. Sounds about right. There you go.